we're gonna start like right here. Okay, so that's what? That's about 20 feet back from the bank ramp, okay? We're gonna start about 20 feet back from the bank ramp. Take a nice deep breath, push off, and focus on getting your feet set in a riding position, heels and toes matching, so that you're ready for your big pump up. Keep your shoulders with your skateboard, bend down, pump up as you go up the ramp, then push on the tail. Once your front wheels go over the top of the bank, then you lean your head over. Stall for a second, wait for momentum to catch. As you start to rock backwards, you'll build momentum and then push on your tail, bend down and big pump out back down the ramp.
Okay, could you repeat that?
Yes. Big pushes, bending down, big snap up, push on the tail, wait for a second, head back, push on the tail again. Ah, you had it. That was good. Dude, that was fantastic. Come on, hey, high five.
The pressure of being on film.
You're doing fantastic. You can do this. Right there. Bending down, big snap up, push on the tail. Good. That's it. That's it. Now, to smooth that out, everything's looking fantastic. As you get more comfortable and get prepared sooner, it'll get easier for you. But for now, focus on your pumping. Your pumping out is what you're missing. So bend down and press. Good, relax. Lift again, big press. Remember to bend down as you ride backwards. That's why you're leaning on your toes standing up and you start to feel like you're losing your balance. Yeah, that's what that's from.
So I need to do, what's...
Remember, you need to bend your knees as you ride down the ramp.
Oh,
so you're, what up? Anytime you're going up or down that ramp, you need to be pumping. Bending down, lifting up. Bending down, lifting up, and then bending down as you go down. Bend down, lift up. Wheels go over. Almost. Almost.
Yeah. Let's go.
Good. Continue to start from your same location so that you find the speed. Perfect. Bending down, snap up, push on the tail, good, relax. Bending down, there you go.
That saved me though.
Yeah, exactly. See, that pump out is meant to save you. Your pumping is how you're changing direction, right? Good job. It's looking a lot better. Now it's looking a lot better. Nice deep breath, bending down, big snap up. Good, relax. Good job. Good, perfect. That was the best one yet. See, did you feel a good rhythm there?
Yeah.
Did you feel stable the whole time?
Yeah, much better.
See, that's what you want. Oh, that one would have been curtains right there. So, prime example, if you would, and this is the struggle once you start to get in where the coping is, if you don't hold your manual, so when you push on the tail, if you don't hold it for long enough, you will catch your truck, your front wheels or your truck on the coping, and then that's gonna send you flying backwards. There's no real way out of that. Bending down, big snap up. Good. Remember, keep trying to incorporate your pumping. So focus on your deep breath. Nice big pump. Much better. Much better. Good, relax, lift, big press, that's it. Looking fantastic. Try to slow down your pump a little bit to match the distance of the ramp. Nice deep breath. Remember, bend down, big lift up, relax. Good, bending down, there you go. So a little late on your pump out on that one.
Yeah.
But you're still doing much better.
Sweating
nice and relaxed. Bending down, snap up. Good. Good. Oh, almost. So the head past the back wheels, and then your momentum gets pulled off of your board. Good job, man. Remember, take your deep breath, slow yourself down, because you need to dance to the rhythm of the music here. So you need to feel that ramp. Good. Good. Making sure your pump matches the distance of the ramp. Making sure your pump matches the distance of the ramp. That is one of the biggest tips for skating transition.
Go!
Almost, almost. Bending down, big snap up, much better, relax. Good, that's it. You can control how long you stall out by keeping your head over your front foot. And then when you're ready, you lean the head back, then push on the tail to clear your front wheels, and then bend down into your press. The second you clear those front wheels, a little too much. So remember, the second you clear those front wheels, into your pump. Good job.
A little bit late, though, yeah?
Yeah. Big pushes. Good.
Oh, so drop down and then...
Exactly.
Yeah.
Since you're going down, when you ride down the ramp, you need to press down. Good. Stall it out. That's it. A little bit longer pump.
So I can go lower, yeah?
A little bit longer pump. Bending down, lifting up. Stall it out. Remember, bigger, longer pump. That's perfect. Good, much better. And then your goal of this is to accelerate out of your pump so that you actually end up going faster as you come out off of the ramp.
Ready to hit the other side.
Yeah, because you're taking the energy, so you're multiplying force times gravity to get more acceleration.
Right, right. I'm not entirely sure I want more speed, though. That's just...
Always more speed. Bending down, big snap, up. Good, good. Barely made it, but that's okay. You finessed it and made it happen. Big pushes, bending down, snap up. Good, now relax. Big press. Dude, so much better. So much better. Oh, head back. That's it.
Oh.
Hey, good control right there. Good control. Perfect. So
Teetering.
I think you did fantastic with this quick lesson, and now we're gonna do something else so that you can practice this when you want. And then once you get this super comfortable, then we'll start doing it in quarter pipes. Now look, now we're gonna add to this, okay? Now I'm gonna teach you what's called a half cab turn. A half cab turn is a Fakie 180 turn, okay? You could do them backside or front side, but backside's easier, okay? So, yep, exactly. So you're gonna, as you're riding Fakie,
That way or this way? It's that way.
if you're left foot forward, it's gonna be towards me.
Yeah.
Yep. That way you can see where you're going. If you turn front side, you can't see where you're going. So now, as you're coming backwards, you're gonna wind up your shoulders, swing your shoulders, push on the tail, and then lean your head over your front wheels and bend down as your front wheels touch down.
Okay.
So pretty much like swinging the baseball bat. You don't have to push super hard. You'll spin around and then lean forward.
You're not going to show me first? Ooh.
That was a kick turn. Look, I want you to go straight up, straight down, then turn. Oh, yep. So, let me try to film myself here. Look. So look, straight up, straight down. I wind up my shoulders, swing my shoulders, and then turn.
Okay.
That's it. Perfect. That's easy for you.